How to connect Payoneer to Etsy. Now you should also be able to do this once you are going to try to connect a business to your Etsy. So fill in your shop preferences over here. You can name your shop if you'd like to whatever you prefer. And then you can also go ahead and choose how you will be getting paid. Once you fill in those details, you should be able to scroll down directly in the payment setup. Scroll down and then you'll be able to see this, which is to connect your Payoneer account. Now you should be able to do this later on as well if you'd like, but in general, there's this option over here. So you could either create or sign into your Payoneer account if you already have one, but just go ahead and press on connect your Payoneer account and this little tab will pop out. You can go ahead and choose to sign up, or if you already have a Payoneer account, choose this and then just log into that account. And then just save and continue over here and then finish up the setup. But that's pretty much one way you can connect your Payoneer to your Etsy. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.